welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have the babe Rudee. A lot of you guys know him, and if you don't, make sure to check him out. I'll leave his info down below. So in today's video, the babe is going to be waxing my armpits. If you guys follow our vlog channel, you guys heard me scream, babe, are you not helping armpits today? It's been a minute, okay? They have grown so freaking long where I'm like, okay, that's going to be a good freaking thumbnail. So I want him to do my underarms and my eyebrows. You think you can do my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Reason.
Yeah.
Reason. What? That's not what we signed. I know, but don't fuck up and take my whole eyebrow off. I haven't shaved them or anything. You guys know I usually shave my face and stuff. And work our way down, okay? Haven't done any of that. So I got this PR package sent by Bliss. This video was not sponsored. They sent it to me and I was like, oh, it has to be. It's like one of those things where you think about it and then ta-da-da, it happens. The Bliss Poetic waxing straight from the spa hair treatment removal. So we got this in there and this thing looks pretty freaking cool. So you have to heat it up 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's one of those waxing things, look, where you just have to get hard, where you see them trending, get everywhere, where everyone does it on their face and stuff like that, and they touch it and then it gets hard and then they just rip it off. So
that's cool. I'm
freaking excited because I wanted to try that wax. Second, I'm hairy as hell. And third, I want to go without having to shave because everything is getting so much harder now that I'm farther.
I thought you were gonna say so hairy.
Well, that too. Everything's getting so hairy, and it's so hard as I'm getting farther along in my pregnancy to like even, yeah, I'm gonna say it, I don't even want to shave my armpits anymore because I'm just like, I don't want to lift my arms up. So that's what we're gonna do today. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna need powder. We don't have baby powder yet. I sweat a lot. Like if you smell it right now, babe, I have a little odor going on. Okay. Yeah, it smells a little musty. Okay, make sure that it's like not tacky. You're gonna feel it, you know? You're gonna feel it and then you're gonna be like, whoosh. Oh fuck! You're gonna rip it off. Okay, that seems pretty easy. I'm gonna go heat it up. Okay guys, look how cool this looks. Let's see. Oh my god.
Damn!
Hey, get the cackies away. Don't fucking make me feel like that. Stupid. Look. It's so bad.
Harambe! Just kidding. Rest in peace, Harambe.
So I'm gonna go with my Peach Perfect by Too Faced because I don't have any other powder and I'm kind of sweating.
Thick. Is it supposed to feel thick?
Yeah. Maybe I'll make my armpits smell a little bit good.
Are we supposed to put that on?
You're supposed to put powder. Okay, stop! Play too much. Let me see. Babe, it's bad. Stop! No. Stop. Babe, stop for real. Let's see. Anyway, stop! I'm trying to make it not sweat for you.
Okay, let me touch it. Just slap it on there.
And it smells good because of the Peach Perfect. Can they see?
It's fuzzy. It's like a little chia pet.
Ew. Okay, put it on before it gets cold.
Oh, okay.
But like,
just slap it on there?
Yeah. But you gotta do it the way the hairs are growing.
They're just growing like a jungle. What do you mean?
Keep going, eh?
They're... What way are they growing? Some are growing this way?
Ooh. Fuck! That's hot.
Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Just kidding.
You better not get it on the floor. Fuck! This is gonna hurt. What the fuck?
I feel like I need to put more.
You're not doing a good job.
It has to get hard, right? Yeah. Get it hard, girl.
Aye!
What?
You're pulling. Aye, wait! It's fucking hot, and you're like pulling my fucking long ass hairs.
Sorry. Oh, I missed one right there.
Hey, síguele, because I see what the fuck you're doing, man.
I'm not doing anything. They all gotta get in there.
But
oh, dang, girl.
That's not thick enough. That's
oh, it has to be thicker?
Well, enough for you to fucking pick it up.
I can pick that up. Oh, yeah. Look at you.
Is that good?
Yeah, let me see. It's gonna be.
Oh my gosh. Like, I knew that you were the babe. For real? Like, off of camera? I'm gonna fucking whoop your ass. Like, for real. Like, I feel like you're doing it on purpose.
I'm not.
And
you just got hairy ass armpits.
I'm relieving. I'm reliving the same thing that when you did it the first time, eh?
Shut your ass up, girl.
The white thing.
You talk too much. Should I blow on it or what? Like just. Oh no, just kidding. Don't blow it this way, look.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at that. Mira, mira.
Oh, it's because they're laying down. I could have done it like that.
No. Look how nice she's doing. I did it like this.
And do you see that it doesn't look thick as fuck like you said?
Pink. It's hers is pink.
No, fuck out of here. It's just not thick. And we did the whole armpit. That shit's gonna hurt.
I hate you, man. You can't ever take this serious. What fucking armpit we're playing around with. What if I can't put my arms down?
It's gonna hurt so much.
Yeah. Stop! Stop, stupid! Rudee! The white big eye, like for real. Stop. Gosh. Stop, babe!
Look, you're getting it stuck together. Stop.
Okay.
Open your armpit up. It's like stuck. It's like, look.
My fucking hairs are
You got it stuck together.
Yeah, you better be professional. This shit's gonna fucking hurt.
Professionals.
Ay, pendejo. Like the more I'm like being mean to you, it reminds me of what. That's where Gio gets it from. He's like, stop.
What are you talking about? I just touched you.
I'm scared, boy. I feel like you're really gonna fuck me up.
Yeah, I just want to touch it. Ooh.
Okay, but wait. This way you have to pull this way, and then when you get to like the middle, you have to pull down. Okay? Because these. Mira, listen.
I got it.
Yeah.
I listened. I'm ready.
Oh, fuck you.
How hard can this be? Pull.
But you gotta like pull the skin up here too. Like no, for real. Like for real. Listen, please, Rudee. Hey, wait.
I think that's like gonna be like the hard part. Is like
you fucking play too much. Why do you do that, Rudee? You can't just be fucking holding onto it, going like that.
No, I'm trying to get a grip so I can rip.
God.
What are you talking about? Let's go.
I'll fucking
Get it going.
I'll go right now. Like for real, like don't. Mira,
I got it.
Listen, like don't just do it by a little bit. It's like a fucking band-aid. Rip that shit off.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. First so you can see.
Okay. You want me to start ripping?
Mm-hmm.
Just rip.
Hey! Why the fuck are you doing sections?
I can't get a grip on it. I think we should have gone outwards more.
Okay, I'll fucking show you that shit. Leave it alone.
No, like so that like gone out more. So because here there's no hair, I could have gotten a good grip and started pulling. Because right here I don't have a grip and I'm gonna have to lift it up little by little. Maybe like if I do the outer edges first. Sorry. Okay, Jack.
Can you let me do yours?
Okay, I'm gonna do two hands.
Oh fuck.
Ready?
Okay. Oh fuck!
I'm not doing it right.
No shit.
I got it.
Okay.
See, I got
Did
it
you
all.
guys hear that?
See,
so
hold on. Now I
beautiful.
just gotta take it off. Ready?
Okay.
It's because you want to be like this.
I
when I
want
was
to
like,
show them.
I know. When I was like this is when I got it.
I should have wore a pad. I peed. I hella peed. And I hope you got the audio where it's like fuck, that shit sounded like, ooh, you're ripping carpet out, you know?
We didn't even get all of them.
How much is? Really?
Yeah.
Fuck that. Those ones deserve to stay.
Made your armpit look lighter.
I know. Well, fuck you. Like, took
Ripped
off
some
a layer.
skin.
I know. Oh, I feel so good.
Are you gonna rub it in?
Yeah, I'll rub it in. Oh, ooh, imagine if you did downstairs.
I'm down.
I'm not.
Let's do the other one.
Hold on, babe. Let me chill. Oh, my armpit looks so good now. So there's the after.
Yeah, yo.
Ow.
Sorry.
It looks really good. I need some powder. I hella fucking.
Damn, girl, let me see. Look at all them hairs.
Babe, it's hard.
You're gonna brush it on?
I'm gonna dab it on. I got a little bit
Yeah.
in my mouth. Look. Open your mouth. It's the peach one. Remember you ate it when I did your makeup? Tastes really good, huh? Like for real, no fucking around, eh?
Okay.
Like.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I just don't know how much to put on. Move your face! You wanna be looking? I can't. Chill, girl, chill.
Okay, yeah. It's mucho. And like the second layer.
It's good. It's good. This one's gonna be good.
My other armpit doesn't hurt. It feels pretty good. I thought it was gonna be like stinging or something.
Yeah?
It's pretty good. You think if I tell Eileen to let hers grow out, she'll let me do it?
Maybe.
Martin let me wax his that one time, remember?
No,
Okay. Oh, wait, you can't do that. You're gonna ruin the thing. It's gonna hurt.
Don't count, please count.
I will. Lord. You see his now?
Yeah. Oh!
Damn, that's a lot of hair, huh? You gotta pull the skin back, remember?
I know, I'm just like doing like so that I can get a grip. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know how like the girls stay. Don't punch me in my face either.
Yeah, I was gonna say don't look down.
Okay. Babe, stop! What the fuck? You don't do it like that! You fucking pull!
Well, when I was
What the fuck are you doing? The fuck are you doing?
When I pull it rips. So I was trying to pull not as hard.
Just do it good! Oh my god! You got me so fucked up right now.
So just I can't.
Ya tú sabes. Didn't you say, oh, this one's gonna be better?
Yeah, this is better. It hasn't broke.
Oh my god.
It's because like move.
I gotta hold the skin. Okay.
You're in the way.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. That's what's in my armpit. Okay, wait.
It was sweatier. It didn't get as much. It's all wet. It like slipped off. You're too nervous. It's way wet. You're gonna burn yourself. It's like super wet. Oh my god, I cannot believe you're doing this again. Oh.
Go away! Oh shit.
Okay, close the
It's
door,
just
guys.
the pregnancy. Oh.
Oh my god, what were you gonna say?
I feel real sweated it off.
Oh.
I can feel it. It was like sweat. Oh shit. Okay.
It's like not in a good spot. Like I can't get it. Do I just rip this piece off?
Mm-hmm. Don't even. You're not even funny, babe. Stop.
I think we're supposed to
No,
like.
I legit sweated it. That's why.
I think we're supposed to rip it like. Every time you laugh now.
I know it sucks. No, it's not every time I laugh. It's like a good laugh. Like look at this one has hella hair, but it's because I always hella scared because like how you got this one, I was like. So yeah, it sucks.
Maybe I should just pluck out the extra ones.
Nah.
Don't be shy. Put that shit up close,
I'm
baby.
trying.
You're real close in there. You can get it.
Look.
Just put it closer. Get closer.
Don't make big head.
You can get.
Oh, like that, huh?
You get real close. You wasn't close
Damn,
enough.
is that hair?
Yeah.
I mean, right there. I mean, is that skin?
Now it's a little bit of dirt and mugre and hair.
I'm gonna hit you. Look, let me see.
You've been scrubbing them pits, babe.
Look.
Now it's probably the powder that you put on it.
All right, so I'm not gonna be doing my eyebrows. I wanted to, but just. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys had some good laughs. Hopefully you guys even cried with me. Make sure to check out the babe. I'll leave his information down below. And give us a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time we post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. This one hurts though, for real, and it still has pelo.
I know. Let me pluck them.
No.
Is that skin?
Mm-hmm.
Feel a little bit chubby, so I was like, there you go.